This time, let us proceed by the second type, which is the deductive naman. Deductive reasoning. Okay, so in inductive reasoning, specific to general. This time, general to specific. Okay, uses acceptable facts, proven theorems as proof to draw a specific case or situation. Okay, meaning mula sa conclusion, nagbibigay na tayo ng mga example. Okay, so again, deductive reasoning start with general to specific. Para masabi natin general, ano yung hint na word na kailangan natin makita? All, very good. All. Kadalasan gumagamit ng word na all. O kaya naman kapag walang all na word, okay, dinidefine niya yung word. Okay, for example, a quadrilateral is a polygon. O, dinefine niya yung quadrilateral. Tapos sa baba nakasulat, rhombus is a quadrilateral. Meaning, dinefine niya muna si quadrilateral. So, ano yon? General. Sa second statement, nagbigay na siya ng halimbawa ng quadrilateral. Ano yung binigay? Rhombus, meaning from general to specific. That is deductive reasoning. Do you understand? Let us try an example. Every mammals has lungs. Dinefine niya yung mammals. Ano daw yung mammals? May lungs daw. Then, nagbigay siya ng halimbawa. All rabbits are mammals. Therefore, we can conclude that okay. Pag nag-conclude tayo, class, ito yung technique dyan. Ano yung word na naulit? Ika-cancel mo yon. Then, after mo siya makancel, isulat mo yung binigay, yung specific. Ano yung specific na binigay? All rabbits. Then, followed by the general. Okay, meaning, therefore, we can conclude that all rabbits, bakit have na? Kasi all na po yung ginamit. Tama, plural na. Kapag has, singular. Okay, kaya naging all rabbits have lungs. Do you understand? Another example. Filipino are religious. JB is Filipino. Filipino. Sino yun? Sino yun? Tayo. So, general nag-start. Ang Pilipino daw ay religyoso. So, lahat yon overall. Lahat tayong Pilipino. General yon. Second statement, JB is Filipino. Nagbigay ng halimbawa ng tao, pangalan ng tao. So, specific na yon. Therefore, general to specific. Okay, now, therefore, we can conclude that, yes, anak. Ano yung word na naulit? Filipino. So, cancel si Filipino. Anong sagot, anak? Very good. JB is religious. Kasi kinancel si Filipino. Sino natira sa baba? JB. Sino natira sa taas? Okay, so, JB is religious. Next. All numbers ending in 0 or 5 are divisible by 5. Number 35 ends with 5. Therefore, we can conclude that Arjun.
Number 35 is divisible by 5.
Very good. We can conclude that the number 35 is divisible by 5. Okay, next. Okay, another example of deductive reasoning. Ito. A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides. Okay. Dinefine niya si quadrilateral. Next, square has 4 sides. Meaning, nagbigay siya ng halimbawa ng quadrilateral. Okay, thus, we can say or we can conclude that, anyone? Sige, anak. Very good. Square is a quadrilateral. Ano yung naulit na word? Have 4 sides. So, cancel mo na yan. Kasi natira sa baba. Square. Square is a quadrilateral. Another example. All Filipino heroes are brave. General. All. Okay. Andres Bonifacio is a Filipino hero. Therefore, we can conclude that Balakyaw. Very good. Andres Bonifacio is brave. Nagigets na po. Okay, next. Last one. All living things have cells. Lahat, all, general pa rin yun. Tor is a living thing. We can conclude that? Yes, Garalde. Have or has? Okay, Tor has cell. Hindi Tor is cell, ha? Tor has cell. Bakit has? Kasi singular. Okay, so any question? Okay.